What's up guys, my name is Wace, and guess what, finally I got the 2020 MacBook Air. Super excited. I've been waiting for Apple to upgrade this. They kind of perfected it, but we'll have a look anyway. Let's go straight into the unboxing and we'll go through some of the new features. What I have here is the base model 1.4 GHz quad core with the i5 processor, which can turbo boost up to 3.5 GHz. It has 512GB SSD storage and an Intel Iris Plus graphics. What this means is that thanks to the new Intel Iris Plus graphics card, MacBook Air is now able to power a 6K display. This includes the Apple Pro XDR display. It's the same unboxing experience as the previous MacBook Air. You get the user guide, warranty, and terms and condition booklet. However, this time around, we do get the matching Apple stickers. You also get a 30-watt USB-C power adapter, USB-C charge cable, and the wall plug. I have a huge smile on my face right now. This thing is beautiful. Special thing about this is that Apple has reduced the price by £100. You can actually pick one up for just £990. That's just crazy. It comes in 3 different colors, so you have the gold, space grey, and of course the silver that I have here with me. It has the same 13.3-inch LED display at 227 pixels per inch, and the same Touch ID sensor. You can configure this to a 1.2 GHz quad-core Intel Core i7 processor with a 16GB memory and a 2TB SSD storage, which will set you back a whopping £2,249. Now, bearing in mind that the MacBook Pro 13-inch starts at just $1,299, so you need to make sure that you really want to spend that kind of money on the MacBook Air, and you got to really figure out what you really want it for. The MacBook Air has pretty much an all-day battery life. As long as you're not doing something really powerful like video editing, like constantly anyway. You can do a little bit of here and there, but as long as you're using it for uni, college, some kind of photo editing, watching YouTube videos or anything like that, that's really great. You'll get up to 11 hours of web browsing, 12 hours of like media playback, and 30 days of just standby. That's just pretty good. One thing I'm still struggling to understand is that why has Apple still got the damn old 720p Facetime HD camera? It's 2020, for God's sake. Just so you guys know, this does not have the new Wi-Fi 6, or also known as AX, but it does have the latest Bluetooth 5.0, which is great. We'll still get the same great sound quality with the stereo speakers that provide wide stereo sound, and the Mac also has support for Dolby Atmos playback, which is a plus. But here's the big change, the keyboard. Apple has transitioned away from its butterfly mechanism to the tried and true scissor mechanism. This keyboard is the same Magic Keyboard that launched with the 16-inch MacBook Pro. I couldn't tell much of a difference between the MacBook Pro and typing on the new MacBook Air. There is a substantial movement in the keys, and they have a good click feeling as they are depressed. If you're a college or university student, then I highly recommend you buying this. It's super light, weighing just 1.2 kilograms, which is incredible. It has the latest tech on board and it's easy to carry around. Plus you will have an extra money to buy an Apple Watch or an iPhone. That's only if you don't go and buy a MacBook Pro. Hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing and the review. If you have any question, pop them in the comments below. I'll reply to you guys. Make sure to share, subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.